Okay, so good morning once again and another edition of Live Talk here at Baguio City Public Library. And for today, since we are celebrating the Nutrition Month and Disaster Month also, but of course we do not, it's not that we do not like to discuss about disaster preparedness, but then we would like to discuss also the resources and about Nutrition Month. So with me we have Ma'am Cindy. Would you like to come in? Hi! Okay, so actually Ma'am Cindy, nakikita ko sa mga comments kasi yung mga shout out, ano?
Oh, yeah.
So I guess you have to do the shout out
That's
sa mga,
right.
diba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, na yun, 3 months ago na sinasabi na magpa-shout out sila. Like, Frankie, okay, Frankie, what else? Yara D, okay.
Oo, shout out
si Emma, okay. And a lot more. Vong, and sige, later on na yung iba pag naalala ko na.
Okay, so since we are talking about here of you know, like what I've said, then Nutrition Month, no? So we would just like to tell na may history din naman when did the Nutrition Month started, no?
Yes, that's right.
Yes, so meron din naman. So I guess it was first celebrated in March 1973. So ilang decades na, no?
Yeah, that's
decades
right.
na rin. So how many years na? 83, 93.
Actually, it's the 50th.
50th?
Yes,
Oh.
50th.
Yes, the 50th. So we would like also to, you know, to give priority, or we give parang importance naman sa mga ito, no? That's why we are celebrating also because I believe naman na kailangan talaga natin, no, to be aware of the nutritions
That's right.
We are eating.
That's right, because we cannot work effectively. We cannot perform our task effectively if we are not physically fit. So, kagaya ng na-observe natin dito sa BCPL, nakailang salad na tayo, di ba? We try to prepare healthy food kasi dito sa library, and we want to walk our talk. Kami yung magbibigay ng ehemplo sa mga manunood at saka sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa amin. So, they see us eat healthy food recently. Tsaka kahit nung wala pa ako dito, I'm sure you are practicing this.
Oo. Actually, yung salads, of course, fresh naman yung mga ano. And may mga edible naman na, diba? We can eat it raw, yung gano'n.
Yeah, that's right.
But then, of course, it's a balance, ano pa rin, no? So, aside from vegetables, we also have to go for fruits.
That's
Siyempre,
right.
of course, kailangan pa rin natin ang meat, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Yung protein natin to build our muscles, tapos yung energy sa rice.
Yes.
Pero Mami Sir, di ka nagra-rice. Can you tell me something about that? Bakit? Very minimal, di ba yung rice mo?
Yes, very minimal. I guess kasi, di ba, according to research naman, at saka sa mga data, no? Na ang rice, it will turn also into sugar.
That's right,
Diba?
yeah.
That's why, siguro sa akin, kasi I have health concerns na rin. That's why I have to be very careful also kung ano yung mga ini-intake ko. Anyway, going back to dun sa 1973, actually it was a way of, you know, parang promoting also yung profession ng dietitians.
Yes, that's
diba?
right. Nutritionists,
Nutritionists, dietitians. Although, as much as we would like to, nawala. Huwag kang mawawala. Medyo kasi, actually, signal number 1 po kasi, no?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, signal number 1 tayo.
Just go ahead and talk and I'll just check.
Okay, sige. So, actually, yung mga nutritionists, dietitians, and hindi man kami we were not able to invite one, kasi I believe na very busy din kasi sila.
That's
kasi
right, yeah.
in celebration of this one. And of course, isa rin yan na awareness ng public, di ba? That's why yung interest na rin ng public began to grow kasi parang yung kung ano yung tinitake kasi natin, may effect yon, di ba?
That's
Yung
right.
diet natin,
Yeah.
may effect,
Mhm.
right?
Sabi nga nila, you are what you eat.
Yes.
So if you eat healthy, you are also healthy.
Mhm.
If you eat fats, you are also fat.
Yeah,
Diba?
oo, ganun. And of course, nung nag-start nung 1973, and then it was already designated, kumbaga na isa batas na rin, in 1974, by then the former President Marcos Sr. na naging institutionalized na rin in the whole country yung celebration ng Nutrition Month.
Yeah.
Ay, maalala ko nung elementary kami, di ba?
Tayo
Siguro
naman.
tayo na elementary tayo, di ba?
Oo.
You know, di ba, pag Nutrition Month yan,
Oo.
maghahawak tayo ng
Acrostic pa tayo, di ba?
Yes,
A, N, U,
Oo.
U.
Yung,
Yeah.
maalala ko nun yung brother ko kasi ang binigay sa kanya itlog.
Okay.
Diba? Parang,
itlog?
Itlog. Kumain ng itlog para ikaw ay bumilog. Parang,
Oh,
ganun.
okay.
Parang tirarayin nila
Oo.
yung mga So, nakakatuwa, just for us to celebrate and the awareness of nutrition, no? Ganon, ginagawa, may kanya-kanyang pakulo, no?
That's right.
Since kami naman dito sa City Library, we are a public library. Of course, hindi kami pwedeng magpa-program na ano. But then we do have the resources. Okay?
That's right.
So, ano pa ba ang dapat na malaman, no?
Yeah, yung ano natin ngayon, yung theme for this year,
Ayan.
right? Ito yung healthy diet gawing affordable for all.
Wow, okay naman, di ba? Healthy na, affordable pa, di ba?
Yes, that's
So,
right.
I guess maganda yung kanilang, maganda yung thing na yun, no?
Yeah, and you know what, ma'am, is speaking of affordable, alam naman natin na skyrocket ang prices.
Yes.
Like, we went to the market with seed kanina kasi nga bumili kami ng sample na ipapakita namin na i-prepare namin na pagkain dito. Medyo may kamahalan ngayon yung mga bibili.
Diba? Oo.
Yeah. So, one way, like for us, we are mothers, kaya siguro tayo yung appropriate na mag-talk dito kasi ang dami natin pwedeng innovate. We can make our own gardens.
Yes.
Actually, sa bahay, hindi na ako bumibili ng tomatoes, ng onions, mga ganun, kasi pwede namang may mga pots naman. Like, kung ano, kamote, mga ganun, ang dami rin pwede natin itanim. So that, pagdating ng pangangailangan, at least, nami-minimize yung ginagastos natin na punta tayo sa palengke. Walang mangyayari sa 500. Pumunta ka sa palengke. So, yeah, so yun, ang ganda ng thing na yun kasi affordable. So speaking of affordable, pwede tayo mag-innovate.
Yeah, and I guess yung nung nabanggit mo kanina na home gardening, yun, isa yun na pinopromote din, no?
Yes, that's
na
right.
we grow our own food. And I believe yung ibang resto nga, ganun ginagawa nila, di ba?
Yes, that's
The other restaurants, kasi sila na yung nagtatanim, sila na yung nag-aalaga ng kanilang
Yeah,
di ba?
that's right.
So I guess, parang contributing also na you would parang healthy ito kasi ako nagtanim, ako
Yes, that's
nag-alaga,
right.
diba? So
Yeah.
you wouldn't you know kung ano yung mga pinapakain mo at saka nilalagay mo kapag ka nagtatanim ka.
Yeah, that's right. And it's fun. Speaking of experience, ako I could attest na yung onions ko sa bahay, yung mga kamote leaves, ano talaga yun? Organic talaga yun kasi walang chemicals na nilalagay, walang chemicals na ini-spray or dinidilig. So, those are some of the things that could promote talaga yung nutrition.
Yeah, oo. That's one way, ano? Kasi ngayon, kagaya nung we know naman the issue of the onions, diba?
Yes,
Yeah, may
that's right.
benefit naman yung onion. Kaya lang, talaga naman yung kanyang presyo. And not only that, sa mga ibang gulay din, tapos talagang mahal din naman kasi yung mga biligan, no?
Yeah, that's right.
Pero you know what, may effect din kasi, let's say kapag ka hindi nakapag-produce ng, kunwari, yung tuloy-tuloy na ulan,
Yeah.
bagyo, gano'n, talaga namang masisira ang mga crops.
That's right.
Oo.
That's right. So, yun na nga lang, yung namalengke kami kanina, hindi pala in season ang singkamas.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi namin ni Sid kanina, may tatlo kaming nakita na medyo hindi na siya juicy. Pero sabi namin, bilhin na natin kasi baka walang mabibili. Wala nga nang ibot kami, wala talaga. So in season talaga. But there are also vegetables that are growing all year round. Like yung onion leeks.
Yeah.
Diba, kinakailangan natin yun sa bahay pag nag-arrostado ka, nagpansit ka, or kahit anong lutuin mo, talagang kailangan yung onions. So, do that. Let's encourage them to plant their own onion leeks in their own backyards.
Okay, so sa mahal ng mga bilihin ngayon, I guess pwede pa rin naman, no? That we are able to prepare healthy foods for our family, no? So, kasi ikaw nagluluto ka.
Oh yeah.
O, ano naman ang prepare mo sa family mo?
Yeah, usually, yun na we promote healthy living kasi kagaya nung yung episode natin ngayon, eat healthy, live healthy, para happy.
Wow!
Okay, so, simple lang naman. Actually, we don't need to be very fancy when we prepare our food. Like, kagaya ko sa bahay, if we buy some meat, okay, meron na kami doon mga talbos, may alugbati. Ako doon may sayote, may gabi, yun nga, mga onion leeks, mga ganun. So, konti na lang yung binibili sa palengke. Okay, and yun nga, kagaya ng sabi natin, we could assure ourselves that the plants, the crops that we have in our own gardens are organic.
Oo, yun. Kasi syempre alam natin na hindi mo ini-spray yun, no?
Yes, that's right. So yun lang, simple lang. What about you? Do you have time to cook weekdays? Anong niluluto natin pag weekdays?
Actually, yun ang weakness ko. I don't know.
Invite me one time sa bahay mo. Okay, magluto tayo.
Hindi ko alam, pero I don't know. Pero of course, as much as ako naman, we have to have this. We have to have veggies, we have to have fish, we have to have meat, we have to have fruits. Yun lang, basta and then my husband does the cooking. So, ang sa akin lang naman is, let's say kung nagluto ka ng hindi lang purely meat. You have to, meron ka dapat gulay. Ganon.
That's right, dagdagan talaga ng gulay.
Ganon.
And I'm glad that even here in the public library, pinapractice na talaga namin yun. Like, since I came here, parang pangatlo na natin ito na mag-garden salad. And the garden salad that we advertise, we promote is really very healthy.
Yes, and then, syempre, ikaw yung gumagawa ng sauce.
Yeah,
and then, of course,
right.
yung sauce, it's also a mixture of, meron ka rin, hindi lang yung mga nabibili na sauce, diba? So, meron ka rin nilalagay. Actually, maganda yun kasi, let's say, kailangan talaga natin na it's not only yung mga, of course, may mayo, di ba? Mayo talaga. Pero,
yun lang yung binibili din talaga.
Meron talagang kailangan din na ilagay mo, no?
Yeah, that's right. Like
enhance.
Yeah,
yes,
here in Baguio, lalo na sa amin sa Quezon Hill, I don't know if it has something to do with the soil. Pero rich kasi yung soil namin doon. I can grow mint, I can grow rosemary, I can grow oregano. Okay, and one day, gagamitin natin yun dito sa library. Yes, meat dishes, soup dishes. Actually, we will promote these books later on. May nakita kasi ako dito na soup making, and we can add those garnishes, yung mga natatagpuan lang doon simple sa garden.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so sa cooking talaga, I cannot talk about, cooking kasi hindi na
May
talaga.
kanya-kanya tayo for that. Tsaka we understand you. You are really busy 24/7. Ang ganun yung buhay ng isang librarian. So we will understand that. But when we were younger, di ba, nagluluto ka rin noon?
Hindi,
Hindi rin.
No.
Hindi rin.
No. Talagang hindi ko alam kasi siguro nga I wasn't able to learn that much, or baka siguro yung interest ko kasi maalala ko yung home economics.
Yeah.
No, I was playing when I was in elementary. Talaga naman hindi ako interesado Hindi ako interesado. That's why lagi ako napapagalitan. Kasi parang hindi ako nakikinig.
Okay.
Mas interesado ako sa sciences, yung mga ganun.
Ito kasi yun yung forte mo eh. Pero you know what? Here in the library, one time, mag-set tayo ng schedule na we will be in the kitchen.
Yeah, sana.
Oo, para makita natin. Kasi even si Sid, kanina sabi niya, I am not into purchasing dito sa market, kaya in-expose ko siya kanina sa market and he was able to see on the ground. So, i-practice natin yun minsan dito sa library, we will do some cooking, healthy food, para maipakita natin sa public that, oh, it's possible that we can all learn from each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi there are also things that I do not know that I can learn from you. Diba? And yung cooking ko rin siguro, pwede ko rin i-share. Not only me, lahat naman dito parang magagaling lahat sila magluto. So one time we can do an activity like that. Para naman magamit natin ito. I have a book here, isa dito na gusto ko talagang i-apply dito sa library one time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maganda rin siguro, siguro in the long run, no? If we will be given the chance na magkaroon sana ng place na talagang safe naman, no? Kasi syempre, kailangan din naman natin safe. We would invite yung mga, let's say, mga talagang, we would have a demo here yung cooking.
That's right, yeah.
Diba? And then with the preparation, parang gano'n. It's also that you will know how to learn how to cook. Kasi
That's
ako, let's say ako, pag binoy mo yung okay na ako doon eh. Yung gano'n parang, minsan yung mga ibang basta medyo, hindi kumakain lahat kasi ng gulay na raw,
Yes,
So parang crispy lang siya kahit na blanch lang siya or what. Yun, pwede na sa akin. And then I can survive pagka kumakain na ako ng, let's say, fruits.
Actually, healthy naman talaga. Healthy naman yun. Actually, marami kang ang benefits na hindi ka marunong magluto. You know why? Kasi pag cook na yung food, alam naman natin, di ba, na under fire yung food, na babawasan talaga yung nutrients niya. So, maganda rin na na-practice mo yung eating raw fish or foods. Pero actually, doon sa mga barangay level natin, di ba, pwede tayong mag-invite siguro ng yung mga nasa Binaw, mga ganun. Yung sila yung nag-share din sila sa community, okay, kung paano magluto. So, maybe one time, and kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina, naka-deploy kasi lahat yung mga nutritionist eh. Actually, yung in-invite namin isa nasa Ifugao ngayon, punta ng Abra and other places, fully booked na sila ng July. But kahit siguro hindi July, every day naman is a nutrition day for mothers.
Yes, pero ito yung BCS, kasi nila kasi it's nutrition month. That's why I understand na talaga namang busy sila and of course awareness and promotion pa rin naman kasi yung ginagawa in celebration of the nutrition month. Pero for us here, like kaya nga sabi ko, we do have books, no? So dito lang since we are a public library, so ito yung meron sa amin. So I guess we have to start, no? With,
sure.
What books that we have here at the library. Affordable, elegant meals. Okay? So dito na lang sa picture you can see I guess this is a fish, no?
Yeah, that's
fish,
right.
No? Fish ito, and of course
steamed fish with a lot of garnishes.
Yes, and then my white wine, I guess. Kasi it goes with the it goes with the fish.
Yeah, that's right.
So there's a lot of mga pwedeng i-prepare nyo dito. But then, of course, kagaya nito, getting the most from your meat dollar. Dollar naman, no? Preparing, kung paano pasarapin. Kasi, of course, mga bata ngayon, ikaw din naman, parang gusto mo talaga na masarap na yun. Nutritious na masarap pa, di ba?
That's right.
Yes, oo.
Yeah, and we innovate. Like, pag mga bata, ang mga bata ayaw kumain ng carrots, ayaw kumain ng ampalaya. Pero mothers are smart enough to, pwede nilang i-deceive, ito hamburger, ito yung pala ampalaya.
Gulay pa rin, no?
Yeah,
so,
that's right.
in here, in this book, there's a lot of preparations, from roast, yung mga roast, ayan, yung mga, and then, of course, may chicken din naman. So, parang it's complete,
Yes,
ito yung mga steak yata, kung Pero, of course, hindi ako masyado kasi sa steak, no? Pero, of course, pa rin naman yan? Food pa rin naman.
That's right. At saka yung sinabi mo kanina na when we prepare meat dishes, merong gulay yan. So, pwede mong kainin yung gulay lang if you are not into meat.
Yes.
Talaga. Lalo na yung red meat, hindi naman na-advisable yan for people 50 and above na age natin, medyo hinay-hinay na talaga tayo sa meat. But the side ingredients like vegetables.
Yeah. O kasi I often kapag kayong steak mo, rare, medium, yung mga gano'n, diba? Siguro hindi ko na makain yung rare. Well done na lang, diba? Kapag let's say yun na lang ang food. At times kasi, kung yun na lang, if you go to a party, diba, or to an occasion, at yun lang talaga ang food. Kasi, ako na, ilang beses na akong na gano'n, no? Wala akong magagawa, kundi, ayoko naman kasi baka isipin ng arte ko, diba, na namimili ng food. Ayoko naman. That's why, I also eat naman kung ano yung kaya lang in moderation.
That's right.
Let's say kung meat yung di kain lang ako ng konti.
That's
diba?
right.
Oo.
Yeah. Actually, yung na-invite sana natin ngayon na dietitian si Kimberly, actually, ang advice niya is, you can eat anything.
Yes.
But in moderation.
Yes, in
Yes.
moderation.
Ang false notion kasi ng iba is, ay, meat yan pang patabayan.
Oo.
Hindi naman ganun yun eh.
Oo.
Yeah, like, a little of this and a little of that is okay. So, in moderation talaga. So, may benefits din naman kasi tayo nakukuha in every kind of food like protein, carbo, mga ganun.
Yes.
Eat tayo ng konti. Kasi hindi rin naman tayo mabubuhay ng fruits lang at saka
Oo
vegetables.
naman.
Diba?
I also eat meat naman. Pero
Yeah.
syempre, hindi naman yung talagang buong.
Oo.
Hindi ko makain yung slab. In some of the resto, di ba? Kasi meron yung slab. Wow, ang laki nung sabi ko.
Yeah, speaking of Filipinos din kasi parang nasanay na tayo dun sa quantity ng meat. Like, pumunta ka sa party or maghanda ka sa bahay, like occasions, mga Christmas, ganyan, mga birthday. Parang ang OA naman kung konti lang yung meat na kainin mo. Diba? Parang,
lalo na yung lechon.
diba?
Crispy,
Oo.
diba?
Ganun.
Talagang
mapapakain ka talaga.
Mapapakain ka.
Mm.
Pero ang sana is, lang, in moderation talaga.
That's
no?
right.
And in here, dito sa affordable, I guess we went out.
O baka hindi doon. Kasi makakain.
Yes, no, yung ikaw.
Ay, oo.
Yeah. Oo. Kaya yun ang gusto ko na I guess you have to to check yung sige, check na lang. Ito ang problema. Wait. Okay,
Yeah, okay na.
Off. Ayan, wait ka.
Yan, meron ulit.
Ay, yung reflection ng kasi ito. Ito
Can you
ang
try to
problema.
wipe yung camera?
Wala na naman. Sige,
Pwede ba?
Habang sige.
It's okay lang yan. Hindi
Ito?
Yung hindi kamay.
Kaya, ayan no, waiting for video signal.
Wala ako.
Ito ni Mama, wala kang
Kuha man. Yan.
Meron ulit.
ng mga sa children's, na ganyan din tayo. Hindi ko stop. Pero buo pa rin. Yes, buo pa
Hopefully.
rin.
Hopefully.
Actually, nakikita kayo din ngayon.
Ganon.
Yes.
Pero bakit ito nanonood ako eh?
Opo,
Wala.
pero buo pa rin yan. In the end. Nangyari yan sa ako natin storytelling. Basta hindi kayo stop.
Hindi,
hindi.
Stop.
Oh, yes.
Okay na.
Okay.
Sige.
Ayan na naman. Okay, ayan. Medyo nagkakaproblema sa connection. Oo. Technical, yan ang
Yes.
kapag ka nakarely na tayo sa internet.
Yeah, may konting technical problems po, but we hope we resumed already and okay na. Okay. So, back to our topic, ma'am. Saan na tayo? Yung
Yung mga recipes.
okay, recipes.
Open mo na lang kasi yung baka ibabato niya yung signal, no? Okay, so yung mga recipes na nandito, no? Kagaya nito, pinagsama na yung I mean, may mga ganito na kasing mga food,
Yeah.
Yung iniihaw na mga
Yes,
gulay,
that's
meat
right.
na rin, di ba? And I guess sa ibang bansa kasi, mayroon silang food na ganito. Tama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Parang na-adapt natin yung culture like Korean food,
Yeah,
di ba? Very, very popular dito sa Philippines ngayon.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So, ano naman ang nasa iyo?
Yes, ito naman sa akin parang masang-masa, pang Pilipino talaga. Mga bagong lutuing pantahanan. So doon pa lang sa cover niya, makikita na natin na from the Philippines talaga yung mga pagkain. Especially that pineapple there. Oh, pineapple is from Bukidnon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and mga pusit, mga ganun yung mga healthy foods talaga. At saka na-integrate na dito fruits, vegetables, meats, and of course, konting carbo like rice. So ito, hindi naman kailangan na gumastos ng nutritious na food. Di ba yun yung advocate talaga ng mga barangay, yung mga nutritionists na.
Okay, so good morning. We will continue what we were talking a while back, no? May problema talaga kasi it's raining and signal number 1 tayo and we are experiencing interruptions, no, sa ating internet connection. Anyhow, we find ways, no? Yung sabi nga, we find ways. That's why we are having this recorded and it will be posted later on because we believe that may mga nag-aabang kasi especially yung result ng ating contest.
Yes.
Which we have said that we will be announcing after nung live talk. Tama?
That's right.
Okay, so we are talking about Nutrition Month, of course, in celebration of the Nutrition Month. So we would just like to repeat that it was started in 1973
Yes.
and it was actually parang yung mga nutritionists, dietitians, in promotion and awareness of their profession, kaya nagkaroon ng parang celebration, no?
That's right.
And then eventually it was institutionalized nationwide, no? Through of course a law, no? Hindi naman siguro act, pero it's still a law, no? That the former president, no, Marcos Sr., na-institutionalize in 1974 yung ating celebration ng Nutrition Month.
Yeah,
And of
that's
course, we were talking a while back yung theme ngayon, no?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the 50th year
That's
anniversary
right.
of Nutrition Month. So yung ating theme for this year is?
Yes, healthy diet gawing affordable for all. O, di ba?
So, healthy na, affordable pa.
That's
diba?
right.
Okay.
And we were discussing a while back yung word na affordable. Pumunta kasi kami sa market ni Sid because we purchased some food for some fruits and vegetables na gagawin namin ngayon na garden salad. Because here in the Baguio City Public Library, we have to walk our talk. Tayo yung magseset ng example. So, we are talking about nutrition. So, yung kakainin natin mamaya is something that is healthy also. Now, speaking of the word affordable, medyo skyrocketing ang mga prices ngayon, medyo mahal. So, i-integrate natin ngayon dito yung sinasabi natin kanina na home gardening.
Yes.
Like, we grow our own food, we grow our own vegetables and some fruits in our own garden. And we can be assured that these crops that we harvest from our garden is something organic.
Yes.
Walang spray, walang nilagay na chemicals. So, tayo mismo ay confident na masustansya at malinis
Yes,
yung ating
oo.
prepare sa ating mga tahanan.
Actually, I remember nung talagang kasagsagan ng pandemic.
Aha.
Ang daming naging plantito. And
Isa ako
one of the is yung pag-home gardening, tama?
Yes,
Yun ang
yes, that's
and
right.
I guess may pa-contest pa eh.
Kaya,
Di ba nga nagpa-contest na per barangay na you have to plant your own since
That's right.
limited ang galaw ng mga tao before.
Yeah.
Kaya, it's a good thing that we go into the home gardening also.
That's
We
right.
grow our
Yeah.
own food. And even may alam ako na restaurant, no? They nag-aalaga sila ng sarili nilang chicken,
Livestock,
yung
diba?
livestock nila, and then also they grow their own vegetables
That's
also.
right.
No?
Meron nga isang restaurant dito, siyempre hindi tayo magbabanggit, no?
Yes, of
Pero
course.
meron isang big, huge, well-known restaurant dito sa malapit sa Burnham. Pag pumunta ka, may mga sili sila dun sa... Kasi
Yes.
basic ano nila yun eh,
Oo,
basic
basic
ingredient
ano
nila
talaga
yun
yun.
sa mga sinaserve nila na pagkain. But aside from sili, marami pa silang mga onion. So, yun na, they are growing, they are a living example of not only promoting their restaurant, pero promote din nila yung home gardening.
Yes.
That it can be possible. Kagaya ng sabi mo during the pandemic, di ba?
Yes,
Limited yung galaw natin. We went back to basics talaga, like, kung noon ready na yung pagkain mo lang kasi restaurant ka na agad.
Yes.
Ngayon, you have to cook your own food during the pandemic. Parang natuto tayo talaga to go back to the basic and prepare our own foods from the garden in our own homes.
Yes, and speaking of preparing, I know na ikaw, talaga namang nagluluto ka, no?
Oh, yeah.
So do not ask me anymore because I'll not be able to answer, no? Even though na nakikita ko na may mga recipes, pero palagay ko talagang hindi ko talent yung ano. Talent ko lang siguro magtikim kung masarap.
Kaya nga sabi namin,
Kumain.
yeah, that's right. Kaya nga sinabi namin earlier dun sa video namin na nakat. Dito sa public library, nagpa-practice na kami na magluto, na maghanda ng mga pagkain na healthy. I think this is the third time already that we are preparing garden salad.
Yeah.
And if you want to have the recipe, meron na kami sa group chat. Maybe if you are interested, we can also share it with you. Dahil wala namang wala namang, anong tawag doon? Wala namang trade secret. Kung ano yung alam nating nakakabuti sa public,
Yes.
we are very much willing to share them with you.
Yes, and we do hope na in the future magkaroon din ng parang cooking demonstration dito sa library, ano? Kasi parang maganda rin naman na,
That's right.
kasi public, ano nga ito. Kaya lang for this time, kung ganito yung setup natin, parang hindi yata, ano, kasi puro wood at saka
Yeah, that's right. And
and then
besides,
mga books and papers, so
That's right.
parang it should be safe also.
yeah, who knows, magkaroon tayo ng extension na kitchen. Diba? Hindi lang pantry, pero kitchen.
Yeah, may home pantry tayo pero walang kitchen.
Oo, that's right.
Pantry talaga.
Walang pantry for food. Okay.
Yes, oo.
And speaking na rin sa circumstance natin na nangyayari ngayon, we actually invited some dietitians.
Yes,
certified licensed dietitians. But they are all deployed. May pumunta ng Abra, may pumunta ng Kalinga dahil tawag din ng kanilang profession. So,
Yes.
hindi namin sila hindi nila tayo mapakaunlakan for now. But as you said, anytime, right? Anytime in the future, maybe we can even invite them here. Kahit hindi nutrition month.
Yes,
Yeah, we can-
we can always talk about ano naman.
Yeah, that's right.
Sa public library kasi it's not only we just observe yung celebration pero
That's right.
not necessarily na ang pag-usapan lang natin dapat ganito lang.
Yeah.
no? Pero it's whole year round naman kasi public ano to. So we learn. So with the different resources that we have, we can talk about anything under the sun.
That's right. Yeah.
In whatever occasions na we are in. No?
That's right.
But of course, yung mga resources na nandito, it relates to nutrition.
Yeah,
no?
that's
Nutrition.
right.
oh. So may I ask, ano nga ba piniprepare mo sa family mo?
Okay, like we are a very simple eaters. We are very simple eaters. So, yung mga basic lang, just like what I've said earlier, doon kasi sa amin sa bahay, may konting gardens kami where we grow onions, we grow ampalaya, kamote, alugbati, kamatis, mga ganun. So, if we buy some food like meat, ganun, kasi hindi naman pwedeng itanim yung meat, di ba? So, pag bumili kami ng meat, may mga ingredients na kaming ready sa bahay. Okay, and even our barangay constituents, yung mga barangay authorities natin, barangay captains natin, they even encourage us, talagang they highly encourage us to do our own gardening in our homes. At may mga contest din doon, sino yung pinakamaganda ang
Oo,
garden, mga
garden,
ganun. So,
diba?
na-motivate ka rin. At the same time, na-arouse din yung awareness mo na ay importante pala yung may sarili kang garden din. Not only depending on the market. Kaya nga kagaya ng sinabi natin, kung lagi ka na lang magdidepend ng sibuyas sa palengke, kagaya nung past problems natin about sibuyas, talagang mamumulubi ka. But if you have your readily available na halaman doon sa bahay mo, it could really help.
Yes.
Mhm.
And may naisip ako kanina na kalimutan ko tuloy yung naibalak mo kasi yung sibuyas.
Okay. Like recipes na may sibuyas, may
yung pagluluto, yung
Okay.
pagluluto. Of course, in the morning, di ba? When you are working already, di ba? Ano yung, let's say na na-prepare mo na, or you do your preparation sa gabi na so that it will be easier sa morning. Kasi
Yeah.
sa mga working, parents,
Yeah.
you know, pagka nag-prepare ka na ng food sa umaga, it's just, yung easiest.
Oo, yung
It's the egg, di ba?
actually hindi na healthy eh. Kasi kung ano yung mga
Yes.
frozen foods na lang doon na
Yes.
yeah, it takes only a minute luto na like hotdogs, mga ganun. But speaking of preparation, like we can prepare that ahead of time. Like in the evening, pwede mo nang i-chop yung mga vegetables. Tapos meron naman tayo ngayon yung plastic, yung anong tawag doon, yung pang-cover na ganyan, para it remains fresh until the following day. Tapos doon mo na lang iluluto. Me, I really, literal talaga na gumigising ako ng maaga as early as 4:30. Yes.
Just to prepare.
Just to prepare food and my hair also. Yeah, but for mothers, they really do that. Ginagawa na nila sa gabi. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng puro fast food na lang or hindi naman pwedeng unhealthy foods every morning.
Yes.
Actually, the most important meal in a day is the breakfast talaga. So, we make sure na mag-effort talaga yung mother na mag-prepare ng healthy food. So, gabi pa lang prepare na yan. Chopping the food. Tapos, pwede naman, pag gumising ka ng 4:30 or 5, makakaluto ka pa rin. Time management.
Yeah. And I believe kapag nasarapan ka na ng lalo na kung tuyo.
Yeah.
Tuyo, kamatis, yung mga ganun na.
Tapos
Ako,
may
wala
side
na.
effect, ano?
Wala nang diet kapag
Goodbye, diet!
Diba, minsan kapag diet ako eh. Pero pag nakita mo na masarap yung pagkain, ako
Yeah.
po,
Yeah,
iwanan natin ng diet. Wala mo ng diet for
Yeah.
today, di ba? Bukas
Yeah,
na lang.
that's
Ano yung
right.
sinasabi natin.
Yeah.
Pero of course, we can eat anything naman. Actually, kung
Yeah.
sa akin, in my own viewpoint, we can eat anything. Pero of course, we have to be in moderation. No?
That's right.
Parang, ako I also eat kasi kahit may health concerns naman ako. Pero kung yung food na nandoon is yung, let's say, yung breakfast, you were invited in a breakfast and ang nandun is, ham, bacon, and then hot dog,
Yeah.
and then, syempre, alangan naman na, ay, hindi ako kakain, sabihin ko, di ba? Parang nakakaano naman. Ay, kumakain pa rin naman ako. Pero of course, hindi ko naman uubusin yung dahon, I mean, konti-konti lang.
That's right. You know what, parang na-adapt natin yung ibang culture, food culture ng ibang
Yes,
country.
oo.
I work with a Korean manager kasi. Yeah, and she always tells me this, like when they prepare meals, talagang 5 putahe.
5.
Yes, unlike sa atin, adobo lang, tsaka
Oo,
kanin,
tama
okay
na.
na yun.
Diba?
Diba? Pero sila talagang very conscious sila sa health nila, like complete 5. At least 5 different menus, 5 different recipes in one meal.
Ako, maganda palang pumunta sa bahay ng
Yeah,
Koreano.
that's right. So, breakfast, lunch, dinner, ganun yung setup nila sa table nila. And I think Filipinos are slowly, gradually adapting
Yes.
that culture. At maganda rin naman, yun nga lang time-consuming talaga.
O kasi ilan naman yung iluluto mo, di ba? Imagine ilang putahe yung
Yeah.
Naku, sabi ko,
That's
wala ka nang ginawa
Yeah.
although araw kundi magluto.
Yeah, although sa kanila, syempre, high-tech sila, may mga food processors, may mga, pero tayo, kas tayo pa lang. Nalilinig ko pa lang yung mga kutsilyo. Sa kanila, medyo high-tech, kaya medyo mas madali.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, kung gusto mo talagang mag-effort that you want to serve healthy food in the morning, talagang gigising ka talaga ng maaga to do it. Like, gabi pa lang, i-prepare mo na and then lutuin na lang the following morning. Which works for me.
Mm.
which works for me.
Sa akin kasi wala, whatever. Kung ano yung maanong ko sa umaga, ano ba? Kasi okay na ako sa kapag may prutas, at walang na, at malilate na ako, di prutas na lang.
Kagaya, sabi ko nga kanina sa'yo, may advantage din na hindi ka marunong magluto. Because you eat healthy food, like raw na lang, which is healthy, di ba? Which is healthy. Meron nga kumakain ng pechay, na raw, ganun na. Kasi wala siyang time magluto. And she has the advantage there kasi alam natin na pag niluto yung food, nag-decrease yung nutrients.
May nababawas.
Yes, that's right. So, don't worry. You are in the right track. Eating raw foods in the morning. And yes, of course, hindi naman natin niluluto yung given.
Given na talaga. Okay, so dito naman sa library, we have resources, no? We were talking about here, affordable, elegant meals.
Yeah.
Talaga namang elegant, tignan mo naman yung picture na lang, no?
The presentation is
With the white wine, no? Kasi fish ito
That's right.
or red wine yon, tapos ito
Actually, ginagamit nila sa cooking, di ba?
Yes, no? Actually, yung talaga mga chef. And
That's
chef
right.
talaga, These recipes were prepared by chefs, so affordable, elegant meals, no?
That's right.
So how elegant are these ba, no?
Yeah.
Alam ko, pati ng baka nandito
Yes. Actually, speaking of elegance, may pinost ako sa Facebook noon. I don't know what month that was. Ang simpleng pagkain pero ang gandang tingnan kasi the presentation.
Yeah.
Pero kung tingnan mo lang yun, talbos ng kamote, mga ganun ng kamatis. Kinuha ko lang sa garden. I didn't even buy anything. So, doon mo makikita talaga na elegance does not equate with high price.
Kagaya nito, zucchini at saka zucchini and lemon.
May lemon siya. Yeah.
Ginawang soup, no?
Yes.
So pwede palang magsama, kaya lang, of course, inaral ng mga chef yan bago,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes, that's right.
Kaya affordable, elegant meals ang mga ito kasi prepared by chef. Of course, pag chef na kasi ang pinag-uusapan na syempre, alam mo
Yes,
yung mga preparations
syempre
nila.
naman. Oo. But you know what? The good thing about Filipinos is we can innovate.
Yes.
Alam niyo ba yung sinasabi kong garden salad na nilalagyan ng honey? Uy, ang mahal ng honey. Hindi na honey yung ginamit ko, asukal na. And it doesn't even, you cannot even tell the difference between the honey and the sugar. Mag-honey ka na lang kung talagang, uy, may pera ka, mga ganun. Pero, ang mahal. Pero yung ginamit ko ngayon is sugar. You cannot tell the difference sa taste.
Baka naman isang katerbang sugar yun.
O hindi Binigay ko yung sukat mamaya, yung pang measurements para yung tama lang. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwede sa masyadong sweet. Kasi magda-diabetes naman tayo nun.
Yeah, so kung ito, sa mga foreign, kasi obviously yung nag-prepare nito, and then this book is, California Culinary Academy.
Yeah.
Of course, meron din naman tayo. Lutong Pinoy.
That's
We have
right.
the book.
Yes. Sir Noe, shout out. Kinuha ko to sa'yo. Okay. Mga bagong lutuing pantahanan. Very makamasa yung picture pa lang. We have here pineapples, we have lumpia, we have ano pa yata ito, pusit, mga talaga, mga common food among Filipinos. And I was going over it, mga pang-Filipino talaga yung mga pagkain na nandito. Because it's written, it's authored by a Filipino. So, yeah. But as we said, regardless whether it's a Filipino or a foreigner, author, ang Pilipino talaga para-paraan yan.
Siyempre, kagaya niyan, kaning bigas, sabi niya, tapos ginawang palitaw, o di ba?
O, diba?
Putong puti, o di ba? Mga ano yan
That's right.
mga rice.
Yeah. I have a friend actually na yung puto talaga na authentic na ginagawa niya is yung mahal na anong tawag doon? Yung rice flour, yung dikit talaga, yung malagkit. Pero siya, gumagawa siya ng rice sa bahay, yung dinidikdik niya, ginagawa niya para magmukhang authentic siya. Pero actually, innovative siya.
Yeah,
Yes.
Kasi may mga iba't ibang may mga iba't kaya nito. Maghahanap ka ng iba't ibang paraan.
Yes.
Example na lang, let's say yung sayote, kasi yun ang marami dito, di ba?
Yes.
O let's say yung sayote. Ibang putahe yan ng
Yeah.
sayote. Pero
101.
sayote pa rin, di ba?
Yes.
O, so marami kaming paraan.
That's
Magaling
right.
talaga ang Pinoy,
Yeah.
di ba? Sayote. Sayote sa umaga, sayote sa ano, di ba? Nakaka-high blood.
That's right. But you know what? I want to introduce one sayote based dessert. Ano yun?
Candy.
Yeah, not candy. Alam mo yung pineapple? Ang ratio niya is 1:1. Like if it's 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of sayote, iluto mo lang siya sa syrup na sugar. Luto mo lang doon. It really tastes good. Para ka na rin na fruit cocktail.
Wow.
Ay, sayote yun ha. 50-50 yung measurement, yung ratio.
Pero marami talagang luto ang sayote.
Yeah, that's right. You
Telling
can
you,
even make
oo.
apple pie out of sayote.
Yeah.
Lagyan mo lang ng cinnamon powder. Mga ganun.
So ganun ka ganun ka innovative ang mga Pinoy pagdating sa mga preparation ng food. Marami talaga, no? And syempre dito sa Baguio, we have the pinikpikan, no?
Oh,
And
yeah.
different din ang pagluluto. Kung sa mga let's say tinola, di ba?
Oo.
Yung mga friend ko kasi na Tagalog, talaga ang tingin nila sa pinikpikan, tinola.
Oh, okay.
Kaya sabi ko hindi, magkaiba yung
Yeah.
yung manok pa rin naman yan, pero syempre yung preparation lang.
That's right. Yung authentic kasi na pinikpikan is, black yung sabaw niya.
Yes.
Yun yung talagang authentic. Pero nag-i-innovate na rin tayo. Meron kasi din yung ayaw, yung
Yeah.
authentic. Ayaw yung lasa, something like that. Pero for Cordillerans like us, of course, we want the authentic one.
So sa mga mothers out there, and of course sa mga promising chef na rin, at sa mga may pangarap na, let's say, kumuha ng culinary,
Yeah.
we do have a lot of resources here, no? So you can visit our public library. Anyway, free naman ang pagpunta nyo dito. So we do have a lot. We can offer you a lot of books that you can use, no?
Yeah,
And
that's right.
you still have the
Yes, because sauce is, may kasabihan kasi the way to a man's heart is through the stomach. Totoo yun.
ganon.
Kung gusto mong ma-impress yung husband mo or gusto mong ma-impress yung boyfriend mo, you should be a good cook. Yun yung
Ganon.
sinasabi.
It's kind of
Yeah.
different.
Pero iba naman kasi yung case mo kasi iba yung forte mo eh. Iba yung sabi ko earlier, may mga bagay ka sigurong matututunan sa akin, but there are things that I can learn from you. Dahil iba yung forte mo. Magkakaiba
Kung sa
tayo.
pagluluto, talaga
Yes.
namang
Yes. Kay Ma'am Shawi din, di ba? May mga matututunan tayo sa kanya na hindi talaga natin alam na siya lang yung
Oo
nakakaalam.
Oo.
Usap tayo mamaya. Okay, anyway, yung sauce making kasi importante ito sa bahay. Yung sauce na ginagamit natin doon sa garden, talagang promote namin yung garden salad na. Mamaya, let's take picture tapos ipakita natin sa page natin para maniwala sila na
Okay.
may kinain tayo.
Oo,
Gano'n. Okay. Anyway, yung sauce na ginamit ko doon is just one sauce. Pag nakita niyo yung book na ito, ang daming sauce, puro sauce ito, magkakaibang mga ingredients kasi. So for those who really want to experiment in your houses, depende rin kasi sa pagkain yung sauce na ilalagay mo. Kung yung i-prepare mo is garden salad, may particular, may specific sauce yun. Kung yung i-prepare mo naman is meat dishes,
may
mga corresponding din na mga sauces. So this is one good book that you can you can read when you come over the Baguio City Public Library.
Yeah. Okay, so dito naman, Culinaria, a guidebook to Philippine cuisine.
Yes,
no?
okay.
So ayan na yung ating sinigang. O, diba, seafood sinigang ito kasi naghalo na yung fish at saka hipon. And of
Yes.
course, meron din yung seashells.
Ma'am Sharon, ikaw ba yung nagsabi sa akin na nagsigang ng different?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell us about that? Yung nagsigang siya tapos
Mom Esther already ate that, no? You know, we cook, what do we call that? Seafood. It's
Oh,
called seafood,
seafood.
sinigang.
Seafood.
Mixed seafood, yeah. And maybe the other people, they knew about that also. So a mix of, what do we call that? Yung shell.
Oo,
The shell.
shell.
Yes, yung shell.
mussels, oo,
And
yes.
then the shrimps and,
Shrimps and then fish.
Fish, yes.
Yes.
malasa
So
talaga yun.
delicious.
Yeah, oo. Malasa talaga.
Tapos nakita natin dyan sa picture sa harap, may gulay talaga.
Oo,
Diba?
may gulay. Hindi
At saka-
talaga nawawala ang gulay.
Yes, at saka kung anong gulay yung nilagay niyo nun, Ma'am Sharon. Pechay, mga ganun ba?
Yes,
Pwede,
yes,
diba?
pechay.
Pechay, mga talbos ng kamote, mga ganun.
Usual na ano na nandito. No?
Mm-mm.
So, ito naman, prepare din ng chef, no?
Mm-mm.
So, kung anong nakikita nila na nandito talaga sa Pilipinas, of course, yung mga
Yes.
vegetables, yung mga halaman na
Mm.
nandito na pwedeng ano.
Yeah.
So, I guess it's all here, no?
Mm.
So, these are prepared by chef here in the Philippines. Filipino
Yeah.
chef, okay?
Yeah.
So, ayan ang ating
Culinaria.
culinaria.
Mhm. The other one is desserts. Yeah. Baguio and Trinidad is known for strawberries.
Yeah.
We grow that. And a lot of hindi lang mga turista, 'di ba? Pag may mga turista na pupunta dito from the lowlands, isa sa mga hinahanap nila aside from Walis Tambo ay strawberries talaga.
Yes.
And we are rich with that yung crops natin, yung production natin talaga, lalo na pag summer.
Mhm.
Marami talaga tayong produce ng strawberries. So we can do a lot of dishes or desserts na ginagamitan siya ng strawberries. So for those who love to come to Baguio, itour namin kayo dun sa strawberry farm sa KM6 ba yun? KM6 ba yung
Trinidad.
Basta dyan sa ano.
Yeah, that's right. So Baguio takes pride on that. Yung part na yun, we grow that. So Baguio also is known for making jams,
Strawberry jams.
jams.
Strawberry
yes.
wine.
Strawberry wine, yeah, that's right. Strawberry cake. Pag
Yeah.
sa Trinidad, meron silang parang festival doon, strawberry festival.
Yeah.
And we promote talaga yung paggamit ng strawberries. And of course, the industry na rin ng strawberry. So, there.
Actually, hindi talaga dito sa ang production. It's just yung selling dito sa Baguio.
Yes, that's
Kasi,
right. Mm.
Kagaya nga, Baguio beans. Actually, walang Baguio beans eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pinangalanan lang na
Oo.
Baguio beans.
Para
Pero,
attractive yung pakdinig.
hindi talaga nag-grow dito sa,
Yeah, that's
sa
right.
Baguio.
Yeah. Mm.
Diba, and even strawberry. Known pa rin
Yeah.
ang Baguio for
Yeah.
strawberry. Pero
Okay.
it grows.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah,
Hindi talaga sa Baguio.
Yes, that's right. But I have pots sa bahay, nakaka-grow din.
Yeah, in
Pero,
parts on.
pero ano lang, hindi in volume talaga na per kilo or per truck. Hindi. Pero you can still grow your strawberries. Pwede
Yes.
Sa San
naman.
Tomas, may farm naman ng
Yeah,
strawberries.
oo, meron din.
Oo, meron din naman.
Mas malawak
Pero-
lang sa Trinidad.
Pero yung Trinidad talaga yung major
And
producer.
even the
natin.
flowers and
Yes.
talagang dito lang kasi ang trade dito sa
Yes,
Baguio.
yes, that's right. Oh, nabanggit mo pala yung flowers, Ma'am Easter. Ewan ko kung, I think meron din tayong book, hindi lang natin nakita. There are edible flowers.
Yes, nakakain na ako.
Edible flowers.
Meron,
Yung
meron.
mga nakikita natin dyan sa paligid-ligid. Akala
Yung
natin
kulay
ginagamit.
violet yata yun.
Yes.
Or ano.
Meron pa tingkad na orange na flower. Nilalagay nila yan sa
Sa
salads.
salads.
Yes.
Sa salads naman.
Mhm.
Okay, so moving on, we have healthy juices. So juices
Yeah.
naman ngayon.
Okay.
So hindi lang yung meal,
Mhm.
dessert, and what's the other? The sauce. Of
Mhm.
course, we also have here juices. Ano? And
Yes.
even the other book, it
Mhm.
talks about fruits of the earth. Okay, so
Mhm.
maraming paraan din kung anong gagawin sa fruits. It's not only
That's
yung
right.
nabanggit kanina,
Mhm.
dessert, yung mga jams, yung mga jellies. We also have juices din. No?
That's right.
Okay, so yan.
Maalala mo, Ma'am Easter, nung pumunta tayo sa Orchidarium, yung parang may binili tayong token for a guest dito.
Yeah, oo.
Di ba bumili ako ng lemon? Na
Nasaan na yung
Okay.
lemon?
Oy, lumalaki na sila.
Oy.
Dadalhin ko dito, gagamitin natin. Si Ma'am Sharon, ano yan, umiinom, alam ko yan, conscious yan talaga. Umiinom yan ng lemon, pag lumaki yung dadalhin ko talaga dito. Marami na
Sige.
siyang bunga talaga.
Lemon.
It's really growing,
Oo.
thriving very well doon sa garden ko. Yeah. So, kagaya ng sabi nila, yung parang anong tawag dito, figurative na expression na yung lemon is ang asin, pero pag ginawa mong lemonade, di ba? it's something that you would enjoy.
Oo.
Parang sa buhay din, di ba? Yung buhay kan minsan parang sour siya, pero pag lagyan mo ng konting asukal, di ba?
Oo.
Ginger and honey. It's perfect.
Yes, also you can.
It's healthy.
That's
Yan.
right.
Okay,
And
so what
yeah,
else
one
do we
more
have
siguro, I like this McCall's book, although foreign ito. Kasi ito naman yung best one dish meals. Yung hindi mo na kailangan, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, 5
Separate,
meals.
oo.
Yung 5 meals 5 dishes in 1 meal. Matrabaho yun. Ito naman, one dish meal, parang nakatry na kayo na gumawa ng fried rice na lagyan mo na ng gulay.
Yeah.
Andun na lahat. Di ba?
I am very fond of cooking
Oh,
that.
really? Di ba yung
sa isang ano
Chow
na?
fan, chow fan.
Chow fan, yeah. Yes, lagyan mo na ng gulay doon, strip fried eggs, mga ganon. Kumpleto na. You don't need to prepare other viands in the morning. Kumpleto na yun.
Pero may kanin pa rin.
May kanin.
May kanin pa rin.
Sinangag nga, ma'am eh.
Oo nga eh. Ang sarap yun.
But instead of using consideration,
Yeah, anyway, yeah, ma'am, Easter, this caught your attention. Beans and rice. Are you
Mahilig ako
fond?
sa beans.
Are you fond of beans?
Oo.
okay.
Mahilig ako sa nuts,
There.
sa beans. Ayan.
Yeah, so if they want to cook something using beans, right, with rice, pwede itong book na ito.
Yung lentils sa...
healthy protein.
Oo.
Yeah, high in protein talaga yung beans. However, for adult people, medyo maghinay-hinay sa beans kasi sabi nila yung arthritis din. Actually, it's not really the beans yung balat daw ng beans. Yun ang medyo iwasan.
At kung kakain ka pala, babalatan.
Wala. Kasi nandun daw yung uric acid. Oo,
Okay.
nandun yung uric acid, especially mongo.
Alam, mahilig talaga ako sa ano.
Sa beans.
Of course, para maging maging kompleto, no?
Punta
Oo,
tayo
meron
sa
tayong-
sauces.
Eh, ang ganda naman ito. Parang soup talaga, oh.
Ayan, ang ganda. Ayun yung...
Wow.
O, diba? Kita yung mga book dito. Exciting, oh. Ayan, parang 3D ang ano niya, no? Yan. So, soup naman dito.
Yes.
Okay, so parang usually kasi kapag sa ganyang meal, nauuna yung soup. Or minsan, naghahanap kasi tayo ng sabaw, no?
That's right.
So, there's also here a book that talks about kung ano yung mga soups na pwede ninyong i-prepare. Not only yung soup na yung sabaw lang, pero let's say, parang biniblender na rin yung ibang just
Yeah,
like carrot
that's
soup,
right.
yung squash, no? Yung squash, I like the squash sa isang yun, masarap kasi.
That's right.
Masarap yun.
And I remember, idagdag lang natin, earlier we were talking about carrots. Yung carrots kasi hindi siya masyadong magandang lasa, lalo sa mga bata. But if you can innovate, you can deceive the child. Pwede. Kasi I make carrot salad. Masarap din. Parang ang theme niya is macaroni salad. Carrots lang yung ginamit. So, you can never taste the carrot. Kasi masyadong masarap pag carrots lang.
Parang mapakla.
Mapakla. But if you add some ingredients like that, it could matatanggal yung carrot flavor niya. And of course, yung mga speaking of soups kasi, sa bahay, I was telling you earlier, may mga kwan kami doon, may mga herbs, like mint, madali lang mag-grow ang mint, oregano, kutchay, if you know kutchay,
Pangsugat.
yun, pangsugat. Masarap pala yun sa omelette na ano.
Ay, talaga?
Yes, omelette
Talaga
na.
yun?
Yes, masarap
Oh,
yun.
kutchay.
So, herbs that we can even grow in our own homes, hindi na tayo bibili. It can enhance the flavor of your soups. Yeah.
Wow.
Kasi parang nasanay na tayo na kung walang sopas, instant noodles na lang. Which is not healthy. Yeah, which is
Instant
not
noodles na lang.
Instant noodles na
May,
lang.
may natatamaan na dyan pag sinabi yung instant noodles.
Ako rin, natamaan ako kasi
Kumakain ka rin.
yes. Kasi yun na yung pinakamadali for
We have nothing
people.
against naman
Yeah.
sa kasi at times you would understand, especially when in a hurry talaga ang mga
Yes, yes,
And then,
that's right.
yung mga, let's say sa mga disaster kasi disaster din ngayon.
Yes, oo.
Hindi talaga tayo nakakapagluto ng talagang di ba? Kasi urgent na need na yun. That's why meron talaga instances. But then of course, sabi nga namin, in moderation, no?
Huwag gawing habit.
Oo, wag
Yes.
gawin na everyday na lang nakaka-cup
that's
noodles
right.
ka, di ba? Oo.
Taas ng sodium yan.
Yeah, that's right. Kaya nga, i-enhance natin yung soups natin. And if we, napansin ko kasi, psychologically kasi, pag may mga ready kang tanim, naiinganyo ka rin na mag-prepare ng food. So, it becomes healthy. So, parang nasa-set aside mo ng konti yung mga instant noodles or, hindi lang naman noodles, even the processed meats.
Yes.
Hindi, carcinogenic yung mga yun. So, umiwas tayo doon. So, again,
magkakain sa Esther.
And even the canned goods actually.
Yes, that's
hindi talaga.
well,
Sabi nga nila, pero hindi naman yung talagang every now and then,
Yes,
naka-canned goods ka na lang, no? Kasi talaga.
kasi pagdating ng disaster, 3 days yan 72 hours yan na expect mo na talagang walang healthy food. So, magre-rely ka talaga sa canned goods, mga ganun.
Yeah, oo.
Yeah, but
Sa mga
don't
emergencies.
Mga
diba?
emergency.
Emergencies talaga hindi natin maiwasan yan.
Yeah.
Kaya lang, of course, we have to pa rin na talagang in moderation pa rin lahat
Yes.
ng intake kasi we have to observe pa rin na kahit na yung mga tinitake natin, it has an effect doon sa katawan natin.
Yes, that's right.
So, dapat balance pa rin, no? So, we encourage vegetables, we encourage fruits, we
Yeah,
encourage
that's
meat, diba? Yung mga ganyan. Fish, of course, yung mga ganyan, no?
Yes.
Pero baka naman kung magluto ka, mas malaki yung karne, mas maliit yung
Iyon nga yung mindset din ng mga Pinoy, lalo na pag may mga piyesta, gano'n. Parang masakit naman sa kalooban mo na kumain lang ng konting karne. Di ba pag pumunta ka sa mga piyesta, tapos yung yung mga watwat, mga alam nga yung tatanggihan mo yung mga yun, di ba?
Huwag mong tanggihan ng watwat
Yeah,
kasi naging culture na rin.
that's right. O pag uwi mo, bahala ka na kung lagyan mo rin ng meat yun. Or kung anong pwede mong gawin para maging mas healthy.
Okay, so we would like to invite you, to visit your public library dito sa City Library. Maraming resources that will help you out on how to prepare your food, your food or yung food ng family ninyo. Maraming recipes and then books. And then not only yung parang complete meal na rin, kasi merong meals, merong soup, merong desserts, merong sauce, merong juice,
that's right.
So, kompleto na rin na tayo dito sa City Library. And of course, just like what was promised, i-announce namin kami kasi baka mawalan na naman tayo ng so I guess we have to end this na. So, this is just a continuation actually, pero sayang naman hindi tuloy-tuloy yung live namin. Of course, we have promised sa contest kasi na we will be announcing yung winners ng spoken poetry, para sa Pride Month. Although na medyo na-delay lang ng konti, pero still naman, anyway, July naman kasi ang Pride Month is June, So we have given the chance sa mga Pride members to submit their entries, and we would like to say thank you doon sa mga nag-submit and sa mga nag-perform na rin, Kasi of course, we have to give respect also to those na talagang they are not yet ready, na to bring out kung ano sila, Kasi we would understand kasi baka mabully sila or baka hindi matanggap ng mga family and friends nila na ganun ang kanilang status. Okay? So, we would like to say thank you. Lahat na mga nag-submit ng kanilang entries. You are all winners actually.
Yes.
We just have to choose kung sino yung first, second, and third kasi lahat naman kayo winners na, So, before we end this live talk, so we would like to announce yung mga consolation places. Okay? So, for our consolation places, we have entries. We will not be mentioning the names. Gaya ng nasabi namin, no names is just the entry number. So, alam namin na maraming nag-aabang, kasi it was announced, they were informed na i-announce ito during the live talk. Okay, so sa aming consolation places, Okay. Okay, so entry number 8.
Yes.
Hey, hey.
Yay! Congratulations!
Congratulations. Entry number 10.
Yay!
Entry number 5. Entry number 6.
Yes!
Entry number 4. Yan. Oh. Entry number 3.
Yes.
Entry number 7.
Yes.
Ayan. So, tatlo na lang.
Yes. And Ma'am Esther, gusto lang natin sabihin na we were really having a hard time sa judging kasi magagaling naman sila lahat, maganda lahat yung entry nila. Yung iba nga, kabuhok na lang yung pagitan.
Yung pagitan, actually. Okay, so sa ating consolation places, yun ang mga na-announce, no? Yung mga entries na yan. Anyway, we will be posting naman kung sino yung mga nanalo. But then, of course, dito sa contest is a contest, ano? So, as announced naman during the performance, ano, sinabi namin sa inyo na we would be rating yung entry mismo, yung piece, poetry piece, and then yung performance, and of course the social media, no? So doon sa performance and piece, that would be we will get actually 50-50 yun, no? 50-50, pero we will get only, so equals 100 yun, but then we will get only 90%, kasi yung 10% comes from the posting sa social media. So 90 from the judges and 10% from the social media. Okay? So, ang nakalagay doon na ang nasabi is they have to like the page, ano? Of course, we were questioned bakit kailangan i-like nila yung page. Of course, ang sa amin naman, we are a public library and we are not a business entity, ano? So sa amin, gusto namin na yung awareness, yung mga information para naman at least maging aware na yung mga tao. So by liking our page, ano, yon, mai-inform naman kayo and you will be updated, you will be aware kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa public library. That's why we were asking na yung sa 10%, yung mga nakalike sa page, they will be counted, no? Okay, so
ang pinakahihintay.
pinakasahintay na, no? So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We will announce first the third place. If by the way, if you have any questions, ano, you can just visit us here. We can show you yung result, even the judging scores, at we will tell you bakit naging ganon yung scores ninyo. Okay? So we can do that. You can come here. Ayaw lang namin ng issues. Okay? So yung prices pala ninyo, no? Isa rin yan, no? Yung prices.
Okay.
Medyo patagal. Don't expect na meron na ngayon kasi we don't have the cash, no? So since it's budgeted from the local government, so ipaprocess pa namin yung mga papeles, lahat ng mga kailangan and attachments, and then sasubmit namin. Of course, hindi naman kaagad-agad yan na mawa-work, ano? Mapipila yan, and i-audit pa yan and everything before it will be forwarded to the cashier division na pwede nang kunin yung mga prices ninyo. Okay? So, for our third place, actually, ang gaganda nung hindi lang nag-perform yung
That's right. Yeah.
hindi lang nag-perform yung iba, pero, sayang kasi, but then, of course, we cannot force naman kasi na mag-perform sila. Pero part kasi yun it should be a video na uploaded, kaya lang meron yung mga nag-decline na hindi pa sila ready kasi na maglabas, na sila ay member ng Pride. Okay? So, for our third place, ang daming pasakali. For our third place, it's entry number 9.
Yes!
Congratulations, number 9. Number 9.
Dalawa na lang actually actually ang hindi nababanggit na pang entry, di ba? So alam na ninyo kung sino, kaya lang yung place lang nila, di
Yes.
ba? Okay, so for our second place, it's entry number 2.
Oh!
Hindi, mali. Entry number 1. Nagkamali.
With a Steve Harvey.
Steve Harvey ako, ano? Hindi. Second place is
Number...
entry number 1. Okay, number 1 ang second place, no? So, I stand corrected, no? Ayan, nandito. Anyway, you can come here and we can show you yung computation. Talaga naman si entry number 1 ang second place. Okay? So, ang first place is entry number 2. Congratulations to our entry number 2.
Yes.
Okay? Siya ang ating first place kasi actually siya ang pinakamataas na, nakakuha yung points niya even sa social media mataas din naman. Although may mas mataas sa kanya kaya lang mataas din naman yung kanyang valid, no?
That's right.
Valid na voters niya. Okay, so congratulations, first place entry number 2, second place entry number 1, and third place entry number 9. Okay? So the rest, consolation places na kayong lahat. So with that, congratulations and thank you very much. And by the way, plug in din namin may upcoming kaming free guitar lessons. So dito sa City Library, mag-register na kayo so that we can start. And by the way, you have to bring your own guitar.
Yes.
Wala kaming guitar dito actually. So you have to bring your own guitar. Free na yung lessons ninyo. Anyway, it's still basic. So sa mga gustong mag-avail, mag-avail ng free lessons, we have here our Madam City,
Yes,
our Ma'am City.
Yeah, I'm one
sila.
of those who will teach the guitar lesson. Actually,
Yeah.
tatlo kami. Meron si Sir Judah at saka meron isang professional talaga
Yes.
na lead guitarist sa pagdating sa mga concert for a cause.
Yes, oo. So sila yung magtuturo sa inyo.
Yes.
So kung ako sa inyo, mag-register na kayo. Take the opportunity
Yes, that's
while
right.
it's free, di ba?
Yeah, because when I teach at home, kasi may mga pumupunta talaga sa bahay to have their guitar lessons with me. Nagpapabayad naman talaga ako.
Yeah.
Pero dito, pro bono po talaga. So, take the opportunity po.
For service, para sa
Yes.
bayan, no?
That's
So, mag-register na kayo. It's posted also sa aming Facebook page, Baguio City Public Library. And of course, may upcoming contest ulit for the youth. Kasi ang August is we are in celebration of the Youth Month. Okay? So, abangan ninyo ulit and join kayo para naman let's say, engagement with the
That's right.
community. And this is how the public library is. So, make use of your public library kasi dito sa BCPL,
Lahat kasali.
Okay, so bye-bye!